How to fix EA we could not connect you to other players. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's a quick fix guide for the EA error that says that we could not connect you to other players. So how you can fix it on your mobile. For that, you need to go ahead and restart your game if it's opened. Fully close the game or app and then restart your device. Also check your internet connection. Use Wi-Fi, which is stronger and stable over mobile data. You can also try to run a speed test, lag, or packet loss, which can cause this. So go ahead and also check the EA service status. For that, open your Google Chrome. Then after search for help.ea.com and search for it. Now in this page, simply go ahead and search your game and check server status. Another thing you can do is turn off the VPN or proxy. EA often blocks multiplayer if you're using VPNs or proxies. So log out of your EA account and log back in. For that, you need to simply go to account settings and then tap on log out and then log back in. Well, after that, try clearing the EA app cache. For that, tap and hold onto the EA application. Tap on the eye icon at the top to access the app info. Scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache, and you can also try clearing the data, but make sure that clearing the data will delete all your files, accounts, settings, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Or another thing you can do is you can try another game mode or match. Sometimes specific lobbies or servers are down. So if it's not working, go ahead and contact the EA support and they'll be able to help you. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.